Is your Roblox not opening on your PC and nothing seems to work? Before you install, there's a few fixes you should try first. Hey everyone, welcome to Saas Pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do to get Roblox running again. For the first method, right click on the taskbar and from here, select Task Manager. Give some time to load and now click the sidebar and click on Process tab. Make sure you are on the Process tab. Now, right click on the Roblox icon, then click on End Task. It will end all the tasks that it was running in your computer. Okay, now close the window, click on the search bar and type Roblox and open it from here. Hope this small twitch will issue. Okay, now for the second method. Right click on the settings icon and from here, click on Installed Apps at the very top of the list. It will take some time to load. So wait patiently while it's loading. Now, in the search app option, type Roblox. Okay, I have found two. So I'll delete both of it. Okay, when you find the apps, just click the three dot and from here, click uninstall. Do both. Do this thing for both apps and click uninstall. Okay. Again, let's uninstall the rest of the apps that is remaining on the file. Press Windows plus R and here type this %localappdata %. I'll also give this code on the description box. You can take that from here and click enter. Now scroll down and find the Roblox app folder. Okay, I found it. Okay, now right click on it and click on the option delete and it will delete all the folders, all the things that you have in your computer about the app Roblox. Okay, now let's move on to the third method. When you have officially uninstalled the app from your computer or your PC, now it's time to reinstall it again. Okay, click the link in the description and you'll be on the official site of Roblox. This is the official Roblox website. And from here, click the download Windows tab at the very middle of the screen. It will download an installer file in your PC. Now, double click on it and it will start the installation process in your computer. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, let's see what okay, now you just have to follow the rest of the procedure to install Roblox in your computer or your PC like before you have installed. But if you don't want to install it from the website, or you can also install it from the Microsoft Store. Click the Microsoft Store icon and in the search option, type Roblox. Okay, click the first option that appears on your screen, Roblox Windows, and from here, just hit the get out. Just hit the get option. You'll get your installation of the Windows Roblox version in your computer. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Saas Bistro. Don't forget to click the bell icon for regular notifications. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.